Joby Aviation has successfully completed flights with a full transition from vertical to cruise flight, and back again with a pilot on board. This milestone marks a critical step towards starting FAA flight testing. The company remains on track to begin flight testing in Dubai mid-year. Their electric air taxis will have the unique capability of taking off and landing vertically like a helicopter, while maintaining the efficiency and speed of a conventional aircraft in forward flight, enabling rapid and seamless passenger service directly to popular destinations. Joby has successfully demonstrated remotely piloted transition flights, completing their first full-scale prototype aircraft transition in 2017. Since then, they have conducted over 40,000 miles of test flights with multiple aircraft and have completed hundreds of transitions from vertical takeoff to cruise flight. They have also performed more than 100 flights with a pilot on board in hover and low-speed flight. Recently, Joby became the first company to routinely perform inhabited testing of an electric air taxi from hover to wing-borne flight. This achievement is significant for the company as they prepare for commercial service in Dubai and paves the way for starting TIA flight testing with FAA pilots on board. Joby's chief test pilot, James "Buddy" Denham, completed the company's first pilot on-board transition flight at their flight test facility in Marina, California. The vertical takeoff and landing aircraft smoothly transitioned into wing-borne flight before returning for a vertical landing. Joby had previously conducted thousands of tests on the ground-based integrated test lab to prepare for this feat. They have also carried out demonstration flights in New York City, Japan, and Korea with their all-electric air taxi, designed to carry up to 5 people at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour with zero operating emissions. Joby plans to deliver an aircraft to Dubai by mid-2025 for further testing before passenger flights. Joby Aviation plans to release its first quarter 2025 financial results after market close on May 7, 2025, with a webcast at 5 p.m. ET on the same day. The webcast will be accessible via the company's website, and a replay will be available post-event for those unable to attend. For more on Joby Aviation and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.